Hello chaps and welcome back to Tino Car Care. So I was cleaning this stunning Mercedes-AMG GTS in this top secret exclusive underground car park, and just as I finished, another supercar came by and asked if I could clean his car right now. As a matter of fact, I do have availability today, so you can just park it in there and we'll get started straight away. This is not just any supercar. This is a brand new Ferrari Roma, which has been utterly thrashed by dirt. Even the carbon fiber sections are almost completely concealed in grime. As we move on inside, we can see much of the same. Let's get this supercar detail started right away, beginning with the dirtiest part of the car. Just look at all of that dirt coming out of these wheels. Now chaps, I need to loosen and break down all of that dirt on the rest of the Ferrari Roma. That's why I now apply the Tino Green Snow Foam. That looks nuclear. Subscribe for more insane videos. Enjoy the satisfaction as I now rinse off the snow foam. Now I hand wash the Ferrari Roma. What would you rate this car out of 10? Let me know in the comments below. Let's rinse off the car shampoo. I now protect this car using Tino ceramic snow foam. Just look at how hydrophobic this Ferrari has become. The water refuses to stick onto the car. Time to dry the car. A good quality drying towel will not only soak up all of the water safely, but it will also remove any dirt missed in the previous stages. Chaps, stay tuned until the end of this video as we'll be showing you the customer's amazing reaction. The glass is given a good clean. Guys, comment below what video you'd like to see next on this channel and we'll make that happen. The interior is now taken care of, first beginning with a dust down and vacuum clean. Up and down plus left and right motions are used perfectly to vacuum the carpets. Be sure to like this video if you're enjoying it. These are the turbo watches, which are the sponsors of today's video. They are inspired by your favorite cars and actually have a 360 spinning wheel. So be sure to check out the amazing range of watches on their website, turbowatches.shop. The link is in the description. The rest of the interior surfaces are deep cleaned. Visit tinocarcare.com for all of the products I use to clean the cars. The door shuts are also cleaned up. I now apply the exterior detailer to give this car a stunning shine. The wash is completed with the tire shine. here are your results. Enjoy.
Incredible. Looks amazing.
He's been at
Best guy in the business, Tino.
Look at that spectacular transformation. Absolutely breathtaking. Chaps, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.